Hello, I'm back. Supposedly, what I want to talk about today is the growth and protection response of our system. Basically, at the cellular level, scientists have studied and have proven that at cellular level, when a cell is fed with, I mean, put close to it a nutrient for growth, the cell, actually, even every living cell is operating at a signal. So the signal connects to the nutrient that is put close to it. But if the other cell is put with toxin, the cell shuts down as if it protects itself, it covers itself. It isn't open to connecting the toxin. So basically a living cell, and we are made of billions of, not billion, trillion of cells inside us. So that is how cells connects. Basically we are also a cosmos, like microcosm. We are a microcosm. So if the cosmos, we people are interacting with each other, we are connecting with each other or disbanding with each other, the same is true with the cells. Everything that intrudes, they are there to defend. So it's just, we are a microcosm, a small world inside us. And every living cell is acting with the way we act as a whole. So the cell can either be in growth mode or in protection mode. So what does this mean? So when in growth mode, because every day our cells are dying, hundreds of thousands of cells are dying every day. Therefore, there is a must to replace those dying cells with new ones to have this growth continues. Otherwise, if all the cells will die, of course, the whole system will die. That's simply it. So, as long as we live, our system uh, has this continuous process which we call metabolism, if you know that. But I don't want to use so much of the technical terms to make it easier for people to understand, I think. So this growth every time, for example, when we eat nutritious food, so you are feeding the cell, right? When we eat food loaded with vitamins, then it supplements the cell. If we drink water with minerals, it supplements the cell. So things of that sort. If we eat food with protein, then it supplements the protein necessary for the building blocks. Okay, and then if we eat um, like food with enzymes, the probiotics, then we have our um, also good bacteria out there to fight against bad bacteria. It's just like that. So every day we are either on growth mode or on protection mode. So why I am talking about growth and protection is because of today's situation with the coronavirus. That every day we are so stressed, especially when you tune in every day with media. You are bombarded with news of negativism. You are hearing from newspapers, reading from newspapers all these negative things. You hear news from families that families are sick. All this negative news that comes in every day is the stressor. And this stressor, if your body reacts in a way of being protective and being defensive, then your system will work as in protection mode, not in growth mode, which means all the cells that died will not be well replaced as it should be, because the energy that is needed for growth production will be shifted into protection. So, and when your body is in protection mode, your immune system will shut down. Why? Because at times of protection, your adrenaline will produce a chemical, which I mentioned in my first video, the cortisol, which is a flight and fight chemical. And that fight and flight chemical causes to constrict the veins and move your blood, your blood from viscera to your arms and feet, ready to run or to fight, either to run or to fight, to flee or to fight, to flight or fight. That's it. So when your body is in protection mode, or always in stress mode, when stress your body gets into protection mode, then it will be the start of your degradation. It will be the start when infection, when it produces, when inflammation hormones, I mean chemicals, that inflammation, don't forget, will be turned into cancer, and all those degenerative diseases come into place. So if you will not, and you will not be understanding how your emotion, how your response to situation can alter your physical reality, then I tell you with all honesty, it will be the big pharma who will benefit you the most. And I hope I shared to you today something of value. And remember always, it's not the circumstances that matters. It is how you respond to circumstances. And by the way, the difference between illness and wellness is only the change of I into we. The moment you change your I from illness into we to become wellness. So stop being so obsessed of I try to be mindful of the we, and it will make you and it will give you a meaningful existence in this life, and probably in the next life. So for now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has given you something of value, and have a great day.